Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to show you some amazing aesthetic ideas, how you are going to make your garden look amazing. Garden decor ideas can be of useful and can be of many types. You can add colors just like in the picture that you can add a lot of colors as well. Not only the colors but also you can add lots of garden jewels. Just like the flower beds shown in the photo, you can add pots as well. Furniture of different types can be used. Pots of different heights can be used. Not only this, but you can also make sure of using flower beds. Marbles can be a source of great aesthetic ideas. You can use plants of different colors. Not only this, you can add a lot of flowers and you can add a lot of other aesthetic ideas as well. Landscaping ideas is one of the most important ideas that you can be used. It can be used using warm colors, and outdoor lights are very compatible with LED bulbs. These are the energy efficient and have incredibly long lives, making them the perfect sustainable choices. Use of the house of white color is also very aesthetic. You can add a lot and you can make a lot of other things as well. Carpets and aesthetic ideas can be used. Pots of different colors can be used. Not only this, but you can also add aesthetic ideas which are more reliable. Not only this, but you can also create an interest with stepping stone garden path idea that meanders down to the bottom of the irregular nature, making them a good alternative to straight path. Plus, it's a cost-effective, low-maintenance option as well. Just like in these photos, you can see that there is a lot of other ideas that can be used. You can consider have evolved in the last few years. If you get the chill factor after the sun's gone down, they are still stylish addition. You can have one built in, but it's one looking for an easy garden. You can see caterpillar ideas that are also very aesthetic, beautiful, and LED lights which are making your garden look amazing. Not only this, you can add flower beds inside your house as well. Architecture small jewels can also be used. Not only this, but you can add plenty of other ways, plenty of other things that you can be added to your garden. Statues of different colors can also give an aesthetic idea and look. You can add a lot of poetry as well. Colors differently used from the color palette can make a huge difference. Small and wide. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Share it with your fellows and hit the like button.